Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and this is a little bitty haul video that I did this past week, or no, this weekend with my daughter, and we went to Dollar Tree, Michael's, Michael's, and shoot, and Hobby Lobby. And I'm trying not to spend, but my daughter had needed some supplies for her classes, and we went to Hobby Lobby, and I found this really cute. I think it was a fat quarter. I think I just threw away the. Yeah, here. It may not be a fat quarter. It's 18 by 21 inches, so I guess that's a fat quarter. But I couldn't help it. It was so pretty. I know we all love gingerbread, and I could not help myself. It was $1.49 for 18 by 22. I bought two of them. That was from Hobby Lobby. Um, yeah, that was from Hobby Lobby. And then we went to Michael's. No, we went to yeah, I went to Michael's, and I saw Vicky over at Try Hard 67. She bought this set, and I looked online, and um no, yeah, I looked online, and they were selling, they had a 40% coupon. And if but only online order, but you can pick it up at their store. And at the store, they didn't have that sale at the store. But if you ordered it online, you'd get the 40% coupon, which I do not understand this. If somebody can explain to me why that is, I don't know. So I placed the order. It said to come and pick it up. I went to go pick it up, and they didn't have it ready because I just ordered it. And I had these two in my hand, and these were 40% off. But these were 40% off, and this was in the regular dye section. And I think this was like $7.99, but I got it for like $5. And but they didn't have the sale for this at the store. I don't know. It does not make sense to me. You would think that you would lure people by having the sale at the store instead of online. Never mind. Anyway, I digress. But I just thought this set was so cute. I have so many house dyes, but these were so cute, and they're so teeny tiny that, and I have an idea for what do you call it? Deck the year. So be sure to come back for that. I haven't started on it, but I have an idea. So that was both at Michael's that I got that. And then I went to not Targets. I went to Dollar Tree, and I found this at Dollar Tree. And I've seen some people use these on tags. I don't think I have any wood beads. I have the wood beads that are square, but not a circle one. So I found that, and you can paint these and do whatever. But I wanted to have some in my stash. And then I found this match game. I think Kim at Kimbo's Creation. I'll have Vicky's and Kim's, because I announced them, or I mentioned them down below. And she had shared that she found this at her Dollar Tree, and I looked, and I found one. I found a pack. And I think this was $1. All these playing cards and this was $1.50. It's so sad. Anyway, so I bought that. Then I found these playing cards that I had. I mean, this is so nostalgic to me because I love all these you know, TV shows back in the day, like The Christmas Story. That is so nostalgic to me. And Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. I love these two. They're so cute. And then Frosty the Snowman. Oh, this one got damaged, but I told my daughter it's okay. I'm sure that all the cards are there. I hope. But if not, it's okay. So I got that one. And then I got How the Grinch Stole Christmas. I want to say there was another set, but I did not see it. Or I didn't pick it up because I didn't want it. But I thought these were so cute. Let me show you, because I was just, each card is a different, it has the different images. See that? Oh, look at, you know, and each suit, you know, they have different images. There's Cindy Lou Who. So cute, guys. Oh my gosh. I just had to find these. These are so adorable. And I think each one, well, there might be some yeah, I guess they well, that's different. Some of them, you're as cuddly as a cactus. So funny. Oh my gosh. What's the dog's name? Max. Oh, I just love it. It's so, oh, there's Cindy Lou Who. There's her family. Oh my gosh. I just love these. Love them. Nasty, what's Nasty Wasty Skunk. Okay. Adorable. I just think these are so adorable. I would love to get a, what is it? The Night Before Christmas would be, Nightmare Before Christmas, if they ever make those, that would be really cute. Or Santa Claus is Coming to Town. You know, just do them all. So we can collect them all. You know, I just think these are so adorable. And this, I found them near, you know, it's near the registers, and they're not near the crafting or the where the other playing cards are. They're in the front of the store near the registers. So go check them out and see if you can find them. Oh yeah, and then I also got one of these. They had tons of these hand sanitizers. I know that it was like a big craze to get them, and my daughter, she got one too, and she goes, "Oh look, they have more." And I got the strawberry cake scented. Oh, it's so good. It smells so good. I don't know what she got. I think she got it's like a champagne color. You know, it just said champagne something. But I thought that was kind of cute. So that is my little bitty haul that I did. I did pick up some stamps. Oh, let me share. I picked up this stamp set. I think it was on eBay. I don't know if anybody showed. I don't know anywhere else to buy them other than, I think scrapbook.com used to have one. They have a Christmas one, and I want to get that one. But I wanted the dies to go with this, and I'm still on the hunt for that. But Jill and Tina, and I gotta have their links down below. They had shared this in one of their videos, and I just love, I love all kinds of doll stamps. You know, Julie Nutting. I love Greeting Farm. I have a bunch of the Miss Anya stamps. I love them. I need to get back into coloring and sharing. I'm still thinking about doing a Julie Nutting series, Julie Nutting doll tag series. I love these stamps. I want to get the Merry Christmas one because I think they have another set. So I really want to get that. And I think I'm trying not to spend. Oh, I'm trying not to. It's so hard when I see so many wonderful things being created, and I know Jill and Tina did such an awesome job with these stamps. I just had to get a set of my own. So anyway, I am just rambling on. Thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.